Hi friends, this is my EDC. Hi friends, this is FirearmPop, and what I wanted to do today is just go over my EDC, and as you can probably tell, I'm not using my normal camera, but you'll see why in a second. So let's start right out with how I normally dress. I try to wear cover most of the time. Now that the weather is getting cooler, cover is appropriate, and of course it covers my snubby, which is loaded. Anyway, this is my daily carry, chambered in .357 mag. Anyway, it is a Smith & Wesson. Okay, so that's my daily carry. Now that I can wear cover, it's in that holster, and covers quite well, and it goes nice. Second, in my upper pocket, and in my upper pocket is a flashlight, high beam, low beam, and strobe. Love it, carry it all the time. Next thing in my upper pocket is a tactical pen. Love this, it's an Uzi. I like it because it doesn't have a cap. It twists open and closed, so it becomes handy to use that way. Glass breaker on one end, and weapon if I choose to need something. Also in my upper pocket is kind of old-fashioned, a Palm Pilot, and I don't go any place without it. Has everything. My life is in this. All my codes, all my everything. Okay, where I'm supposed to be at what time. Okay, moving right along. On this side is a cell phone case and cell phone. Okay, nothing spectacular, just a normal cell phone. Anyway, that's in this case on the left side, on my weak side. Back to my strong side. Inside my pocket is my Tyranny. It's a 511 Tyranny. Like it a lot. Carry it all the time. So that's always available to me right there. On my pocket. Inside the pocket, which is always difficult to get to, and I like it that way, is my wallet. Well, the license, mini badges has gotten me out of a lot of trouble, and of course some money. And behind here all my my permits. Okay, so that's always in my front pocket. I used to carry it in my back pocket, but developed a problem with that. I think it's a lot safer here. It looks like a big bulge, but it's a lot safer. In my left front, in my back pocket, just a handkerchief. I know that screams old timer. A reload in .357 Magnum and a Safari Land reloader. Like that a lot. I don't see it as a fast reload. If I need a reload, what I have is that. Now, that is an NAA, a North American Arms mini revolver, chambered in .22 long rifle. I just got this back. It was sent back to the manufacturer, and I'll be doing a full review on that shortly as soon as I can get it back out to the range. But I like that. That is my New York reload. Okay, and I carry it in a holster. Fits nicely in my pocket. Has not only room for 5 more rounds in a little compartment here. This is not a quick reload either, but it gives me 5 shots, 22. The only reason I really carry this, yes, it's I mean 357 Magnum or 22 long rifle, both two ends of the spectrum here. But this weapon is inaccessible at when I'm driving. Between cover, a jacket maybe, and a seatbelt, if I had to, there's almost no way of getting to this weapon in time. This weapon is available to me, and I'm going to be looking for a better place to carry, especially for in-car carry. So that's what this weapon is designed for. It's not designed for any kind of long-distance shooting. Stick your face in my window and try to do something, and you'll find a 22 staring you right in the face. Within 6 inches to a foot, I have a feeling it's going to leave a mark. Anyway, I'll talk more about that soon. Okay? And that's everything really that I carry on me. Besides which, then of course, I typically carry my keys. My keychain has a couple of interesting things. First you'll notice is my SDK 100 self-defense keychain. If necessary, that whole pile of crap becomes a weapon. Yeah, there's key fobs on there, but if it's my life or the key fob, guess what? I'll choose my life and the key fob goes. So let's go through this a little by little. First thing you're going to see is pepper spray. First non-lethal choice in the event of something. This is a camera, believe it or not. I don't use it that often. House key. This is a 44 Magnum on the keychain. Card key. We have a Spyderco knife and a Squirt P4. Okay, and I like this a lot. It's very handy to carry, and that's a Squirt P4. You've seen reviews on this. I think I did a review on this when I first got it, along with that regular card key. So that's about the pile of stuff that's usually I carry in my back pocket, and I use it in the car when I'm driving. Okay, and of course that makes it shorter. Okay, then I also carry, as you can see, this bag. I almost feel like it's my purse, but it goes with me anytime I'm in the car. And there's just sundry things in there. One, my tripod. It's a real handy, lightweight tripod. And this bag is really made in case I want to stop at the range. Here and here is the camera I normally use for videoing, and it's my Mino HD, okay, on the tripod, and that's what I normally make my videos with. This is what I use to make this video, and I normally have that little camera stand with me. It's great because of this red item here is Velcro, and it can wrap that stand on a pole, a fence, or anything like that. And I usually have the video camera mounted on that. In here also, in case I wanted to stop at the range, is hearing protection, some extra ammo, especially since I've been playing with the 22 lately, extra earplugs, some Excedrin, some targets, self-stick because I'm not bringing a stapler with me, another 357 mag reload, And let's see what else is in here. Not much of anything, I don't believe. No. Oh, one more thing. And my Leatherman. And this is my Leatherman Wave. And I typically bring that with me. It's a great tool to have. And I'm sure you've seen reviews on this. But rather than wear it on my belt, I don't really use it enough to wear on my belt, but I like having it with me. And that, my friends, is my EDC. Hope you enjoyed it, and what I'll do now is take a picture of the camera that was used to make this little video, and we'll say goodbye. This is FirearmPop. Just check out my cooking channel at Cooking with Pop. Friend me on Facebook at FirearmPop. Find me on the web at firearmpop.com. And as always, be safe out there and God bless. Bye now.